Today, we shall see if one of these old vintage Zippo lighter flints is still able to spark after decades of storage and unused. These were all extracted from the original Flint cards and Flint dispensers, and they are the lucky ones that has not suffered from powderings and degradations through oxidation. So let's see if one of these is still able to work. I have had a random piece of vintage Flint from either of the Flint cards loaded onto this lighter here. I'm going to strike 5 consecutive times, and if it all lights up, that shows that it still works pretty consistently. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, there's a 4th strike, and the last. Alright, so we have a 4 out of 5 times, which I still consider quite in par with the contemporary Zippo lighter flints. Alright, that's about the end of this short video. Thank you all for watching. Hope everyone stays safe and have a great one.